urban legend about how 1/3 of the population has descended from Genghis Khan.
You know what? It's like this. The Mongols, like I said earlier in this podcast, the total population of Mongolia was 1 million during Genghis Khan's time, which is a tiny population in the context of the rest of the world. And that population of the Mongols, they were all strongly interrelated. They were all relatives of each other, which means they had very similar genetics. And then the Mongols suddenly, they go and disperse all across the world. So suddenly you have this huge eruption of Mongol genetics in various parts of the world. And these are all very similar genetics. It's not all from one man, but they have the same genetic mutations. So it looks like it's one man. And that's how this urban legend has been constructed, that Genghis Khan was a mass rapist and he spent most of his adult life raping women in various parts of the world that he conquered. That is completely untrue. Completely untrue. That is something that is used to denigrate Genghis Khan and the Mongols and to paint them as bloodthirsty and evil barbarians and rapists and all that. There is absolutely no scientific fact behind this claim. And the first, I remember I had traced back the first article in which this was written. And in that it was written that it is Mongolian genetics, not the genetics of Genghis Khan. How do you know it is Genghis Khan who's the originator of all these genetics? For that, you would need actual genetic data from Genghis Khan, which means you would need a piece of his hair or a piece of his bone or something from his body. We